What I'm going to use is two cutting boards I got from Ikea. This is my first stabilizing work. I use cactus stabilizing resin and cactus stabilizing dye. Next thing is to make a mold. I'm going to show you exactly how I make the mold. I'm going to use these two cutting boards, and my aim is to have two squares on either side of the handle, so that I can do 4 blanks on either side. I'm going to use these mixing sticks that is just a little bit thicker than my blade on my saw. I'm going to use that for spaces to get my overall size. I'll be able to cast 4 and 4 on either side of the handle, which is a total of 8. And I just got to make 100% sure that this, once it's screwed together, it fits into my pod from my pressure chamber. Okay, so the next step is to actually cut the bottom, the handle that will actually split the two squares, 2 sides and the 2 ends. And there it's all cut. Talk about cutting it fine. It will just fit. The next step is just to clean up the edges. I'm just going to slightly sand them, take all the sharp corners off, drill all the pilot holes, and then assemble. And that should do it. And now let's go and mark out all the pilot holes and then assemble it. All sanded and trimmed, all the sharp edges is off. Now for the pilot holes and assembly. Just quickly before I do the pilot holes for assembly, I just quickly rounded the 2 corners there. A lot neater that way. Everything is marked out. Let's take this over to the drill press and do all the pilot holes. I'm going to do the handle first. I'll start off with the handle. That looks good. It's nice and strong. Stainless steel screws. This will last a very long time. Before final assembly, I just want to get all the permanent marker lines off, so once it's assembled it's nice and neat. Well, it's assembled. I reckon this is going to do the job. There it is, all done. I'm ready to do my first casting. I can do 4 either side, and I've separated them with the mixing sticks just to make up for the cutting. 8 blanks, easy peasy. So now I'm going to clean up and get ready for casting. And as usual, a bit of admin. Please subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and until the next time, lekker lekker!